What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This one is really special. This is a 3-day trip I took to Shasta with my buddy Show. And before we start the video, I want to show you this bait. You ready? You ready? This one right here. This is the Boondocks jig. If you don't know Boondocks, they have make variety of jig. They have the micro jig, which my favorite. They have the arky and they have the football as well. But yes, without these jigs right here, the outcome of the fishing might have been different. Since I'm put on this jig, I got some fire bites, caught a lot of fish. Some PB was broken, so I really want you guys to watch this video. It's gonna be a 3 episode. This is gonna be the first day. Literally, like, we drove like 500 something miles away to Shasta, Lake Shasta. If you guys know Lake Shasta, you guys should try to fish there. It's worth the drive. The place is really gorgeous. It's just bad right now with the time when we got there. Dixie fire was raging, and it gets kind of smoky. So yeah, Boondocks jig. Okay, I'll put their description down here below, and I'll show you my favorite trailer, which is this one right here. This one is Missile Baby D-Bomb, and this one, especially this one, the KVD Smalley Beaver. Perfect for the micro jig. I usually cut the few section of the top on both baits and just rig it in there. Alright guys, without further ado, I really want you guys to see this video. Let's go. Good morning guys, good morning. Just get to our first spot. We're at the Northern California already, close to the Oroville Dam. Smoky though, smoky from the fire, but can't wait to load the boat right here and get to our first fishing lake. Car's full, gotta get organized real quick. Yeah, just walk to the dock back there, that way in the back behind me. Saw a couple of spotted bass swimming around. Excited, hopefully it will catch. All right, gonna get rigged up. See you guys in my chest. See ya. Yeah. Try to fish a drop shot right quick. 13. You got your finesse rod too, right?
Yep. I'm gonna crank.
And the crank, ooh, right on the piling. Check that out. First cast on the piling.
Overcast it and tangle the car.
Yeah. Hey, I catch a 26 footer. Get a duck down, guys. Watch your head, dude. You're like inches away. Ah! Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Nice, bro. Nice. Yes, got it. It's all right. It's a fish, dude. They're stocky. They might be a northern strain, dude.
Thick and stocky.
Yeah. Hey, nice. You were just, what were you doing on that cast?
Just slowly reeling it in.
Hey, I gotta take a picture. First fish on the boat. I don't care, dude. Small or Here, bro. Hey, here. Looks dangerous.
No.
It's bleeding now.
Fish won't stay still.
There you go. We got him.
It's fat. This fish.
Yeah, I know. It's fat, dude. Hey, don't let it go yet. Don't let it go yet. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Got it. Yee! Skunk off the boat, bud. All right, guys. I didn't catch anything. Showed it though. Place is beautiful though, for real. We're gonna go to our campground in Shasta. See you guys over there. Now after that, we're gonna go for the afternoon bite at Shasta. Catch you later. So there you go, guys. This is our campsite. Right now we're like rigging all the rods, ready to go to Shasta for the afternoon fish. Yes, it's our tent. It's pretty good, not bad. No campfire, no bonfires in here because this area just got scorched. Everything around us is so dry, so hopefully there's no sparks from the Dixie fire comes over here. We don't want to be waking up and then running for our lives, you know. All right, I guess I'll see you in the water, boys. Well, we're here. Oh, bite. Oh, that was a bite, dude. Dude, that was a bite. I am serious. Look it. Took it. That was a bite. That was a bite, dude. He was right there too. Probably I gotta put some bang. Yeah. That was a bite. Finally, a jig bite. Oh, he left probably. That was a bite, legit bite. Bro, look at all the shad in here.
Oh, yeah, a little shad right there. Look right
Yeah, I saw that.
in front of that.
Oh, I got one. Got him. Yep, jig fish. Got him, bro. Spotty. Spotty, show. No skunk. Mm-hmm. So we're swimming with it. There you go, guys. First fish of Shasta on the jig. Of course, you took my trailer, son of a gun. Oh well. Thanks for playing, buddy. Appreciate you. Yeah. On the jig. Keep going. Heck yeah. Got him. Oh, this is fun. Yes, sir. What the heck? The big curse of the day. Look, he choked it too on the inside. Tiny guy. Spot again? Spot again, bro. Go get your share of spot. You got backlash, bro? Oh, I got bit. Got him! Jit! Cookie cutter size. Still fun though. On a jig. It's spotties.
Boiling right by the boat.
Woo! Thanks, buddy. Number 3. They're fat, dude. For like short guy.
Little guy.
Little guy. Long, but fat though.
Why don't you tie one on?
I did already. I have one already. Water.
Fish at 6 feet.
Oh, they're everywhere, dude. Gotta go search for it. Oh, I got hit again. Got him! Oh, cookie cutter. Wow, I like it though. I don't care. I'm catching. Oh, yeah? Oh my god.
Come on, the fish.
Oh.
Mud goldfish.
Hold on, Joe. Don't let him go yet. I need to take a and get a double. First double in our boat, dude. Alright, there we go.
Alright, hold still.
There you go, guys. Getting longer. Not really. But it's fun though, dude. Hey, is that your first spotted bass for a while?
My first spotted bass.
Ever?
Ever.
Oh, damn. Hopefully you get a good one, dude.
Wow, look at millions of shads. Right
Yeah.
there.
Look all that. Over there, everywhere. Some nuts. Nutso. Let's go. Are you going?
Come on.
Hey, there you go. Ooh, a little dinker. Still counts though. You gotta. I think you have to weed through all that if you put a bigger bait, maybe. Oh, I got bit. Got him. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, that probably a largie. That probably a largie. Yep. Could be a largie, dude. Yep, that's a largie. Good one size too. Oh, snap!
Oh, that's a good size one.
Yeah, largie. Oh shit. Shoot. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh. Thanks for playing, buddy. You're the best of the day. Check that out. Heck yeah. Woo, thanks for playing. That one hit it like a freight train too. Suddenly like doop.
On the jig.
Uh-huh. I was throwing it just right there too. Ah, okay, sorry. Oh, got him. Good one, dude. Good one. Oh, dude. Net. Oh, dude. Net. Net. Dude, net, bro.
Hold on. Got all this shit on top, dude. Just calm down.
Okay, I will.
Relax.
I will.
I gotta get the anchor out of the net.
Oh my god.
It's coming. Hold on. Just be calm. Yeah, got it.
You got it? Oh. Yeah!
Huge!
Oh my god, dude! Damn!
Oh, that's a 6-pounder.
Oh my god! Hey Aldo, if you're watching this, your jig works, buddy.
That's why I keep ordering from you. The best. Holy crap, dude. I'm shaking right now.
Big one.
Boondocks, Jake. Check that out. Oh my god, a freaking toad. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know what to say.
You want to put it in the net and put it in the water?
Yeah, put it in the water and then
Weigh it.
I'm gonna weigh it. Let my no, I got it. Let myself calm down first. Oh god, dude. Oh god.
That's a big one.
That's a big one, huh? Oh my god.
It's a big one. It's about a 5.5 maybe, huh?
Yeah, let me turn on my weight and let me tear it too.
Dang. Right close to shore, huh?
Uh-huh. There you go. I tear it already. Hold on. Got it. Get the mouth. She won't open the mouth, huh?
Nope.
Come on.
Got it?
Yeah, got it. Keep it on the net. 4.5 pound.
4.5, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
4.5 pound.
Okay, put it
All right. The other way. Show, can you take me a picture real quick, dude?
Yep.
Thanks for playing, buddy. I appreciate you, huh, Bertha? Oh my god, truly a giant. Swim free, buddy.
I saw that thing jump. I was like, oh shit. You start passing out.
Yep. Dude, when I saw that thing jump, dude, I don't know what to say else, dude. It's like, not. And she just took off underneath the boat, dude. I gotta open the spool too. It's nuts. Oh my god.
Good old fish up
Summer.
in this area.
Really?
So,
Can you imagine?
They don't get big and fat around here.
I just need a smallie. Get my trifecta for Shasta. Throw it parallel, show, to the bank. Then you just sometimes hop it a couple times, sometimes just drag it. Most of the time they will drag, take it when you're dragging it though. Because I was just doing like this, tick, 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 and then suddenly, boom. Yeah, throw it. Oh, I got bit.
Oh, that's another good one.
That's a spot. That's a big spot, dude. That's a big spot, dude. That's a big spot. That's a big spot. Holy crap.
Nice one.
That's the same size I call my PB spot right there. Thank you, dude. Look at how the teeth, dude. Ah, look at how the teeth is.
Oh, sharp.
Uh-huh.
Don't they have like teeth on their tongue or something?
Yeah, they do. You got bit? Wow. Actually, this is not my PB, but it's still pretty good size, you know? Thanks for playing, bro. Catch you later. You still don't want to put in a jig?
Well, I'm gonna tie that one that I put that tail on.
Yeah. Yeah, tie that one, dude.
This thing is too small of a profile or something.
Yeah.
Or they don't like the color or something.
Or maybe they don't like the color. Because your color would match perfect. Oop. Oh. Oh, you got one on the jig? Oh,
Top water.
oh wow, nice. Nice.
Little dude.
Big master of the day. First one at the top water though. Top water works, yo. Oh, got him. Got him. On a jig. I'm not sure. Doesn't feel big though. He's just fighting like crazy, bro.
Smalley?
Oh, Smalley!
Oh, that's a lumpy, right?
I'm not sure. I think that's a Smalley. Look at the eyes. Is it red?
Looks like a Smalley.
Smalley. Smalley. I got my trifecta. Trifecta.
Oh yeah, it's a Smalley. Yeah.
There's a Smalley right there. Yeah! Literally, dude, just hit the water. My first Smalley ever from Shasta.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Ever, dude.
It's all been spotties, huh?
It's all been spotties. Yes, exactly. Thanks for playing, buddy. Appreciate that. Ah. Catch you later.
This looks more like closer to like a craw, I think.
Okay. Then you want some black trailer, maybe. Some dark trailer then. Wait. Oh, he keeps swimming. Did I got bit? Look.
Oh yeah, got him. Good one?
Not sure, dude.
Oh, well done, sir. Oh, baby spotty.
The way it fights, 100% spotty. Oh my god, he's a fighter, dude. That's a good spotty though.
Yeah, acrobatic. It's a largie.
Huh?
Oh shit!
Oh shit, dude! What the heck, you stupid bird!
Damn.
No, that's a spotty, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a spotty. Look at that. Yeah, it's a spotty.
You could tell with the dorsal fin and this other fin.
Yeah, this is spotty, 100%.
Oh, fucking bird, man.
Oh my god. Thanks for playing, buddy. Catch you later. That's a good spotty though. Oh, I got bit. Got bit. Swimming right here. Got him. Yep. Oh, it's a good one, dude. Net. Oh, what the?
Easy.
I know. My drag.
Easy. Don't. Be patient.
Oh.
Okay. He'll tire out. Just let him do his thing.
Jesus Christ, bro. What kind of fish is this?
It's a good fish.
Oh, big spot, dude. Oh my god, that's my PB spot.
It's heavy, dude.
Dude. That's my, yeah, that's a PB spot right there.
Color, huh?
Yeah, dude. Oh my god.
Nice.
Thanks for playing, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Damn, you fight like a yellowtail.
It's about a 2 pounder.
Yeah, 2.5. Yeah. Damn, that's my PB spot. Holy crap.
Dude, tugging you around, dude.
Yeah, exactly. Caught him right there. Throw it in the bank. Grass. Yeah, I don't see the bait ball. Oh, might spoke too soon. Hold on. Got him.
Got one?
Got one. Closing fish for the night. Not a bad spot though. Ooh. In the face. Oh my god, this picture's gonna be super. Oh, what the heck, dude, bro? No.
What? Red shit?
Yeah. Ah, that's why I chigger craw.
Oh, with the
Yeah. Thanks for playing, buddy. Good lord, he's fat. Thanks for playing, bro. Catch you later. Thank you, Shasta. I'll be back tomorrow. You'll see the map about that Bridge Bay Resort. It's the cove's much bigger. You gotta go all the way to the left, I think.